So guys, we're here on the top of this cruise. Actually, it's $50. $50 yan, di ba? Pag may bayad, $50. If you're gonna come up that side, it's $50 according to, so no need, okay? So yeah, we are riding. Oh man, darating na ba tayo? So we are. Oh man, we're hiding now. So here's the Perth Central. So bababa na kami dyan and we are going for our noodles after. So welcome to Central Hong Kong. Ayan. So it's like 45 minutes. And then we're going back to the pier now. My friends. Hoy, nabuang! Okay, so we're approaching now, so we're going down. So let's go! Oh my gosh, may nag-selfie na. Tara, let's go! Let's go, guys! Get your things!
Guys, thank you for the good experience.
Ja, let's go! Are you having fun? Excuse me! Come here, are you having fun? You're welcome! Birthday to you! Thank you!
Let's go!
Samdo na! Yeah, of course. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful time with you guys. So we're going now. Tara, mabilis na kasi kay para ano tayo yung maunang bababa. So you next time, Oriental Pearl. Have a great day. Bye. She's looking at me. She's looking at my tummy. Makapag-blue eyes ba tayo ngayon? Makapag-blue eyes ka ba? Mapa-blue eyes daw siya.
Wala lang ano eh.
Oo nga, sa hagdanan. Please, hagdanan tayo, makasuyo tayo. Sige na.
Hindi tayo lumayas.
Nakisuyo tayo, sige na.
Open na.
It's so blue.
Ang ganda oh. Tingnan mo. Kending ng kending. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo muna.
Yes. Yeah, we have to do that spots. Okay, bye for now. See you later.